folks, Moose here. So this video we're going to be doing a electric fireplace. So before you guys started with the shoulda, woulda, coulda, this is broken. There's actually parts missing. The glass doors in the front are gone. The fan stopped working. It wasn't producing heat. So it is for scrap. All right, so I'm going to do something a little bit different in this one. I'm going to just record the whole tear down and probably like speed it up a little bit, and then afterwards we'll go over what's inside. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So we've got this this board here, which looks pretty interesting. There's a couple little IC chips on it, another one there. A little transformer. I'll pull the copper out of that eventually. Little relay here. That that'll have some copper in there, as well as little silver contacts. These little things here, I'm not quite sure what they are. Little tactile switches over here. LED, those all may contain, these might have silver in them. The LED is going to have a little gold bonding wire. That's about it for this thing. We got a little piece of aluminum. We got a couple of little motors. So there was this which was turning this. I guess the light was reflecting off that and making some kind of like flame looking thing. This is the blower motor, which is copper on the inside, and these little bands here, those are copper as well. I'll be removing those. We got a little stack of wire, little bit of brass in the plug, and that's it. Alright, so that's it for a fireplace. Not a whole lot in there, just a big pile of steel over here. But even that's only like, maybe 20 pounds of steel. So not a whole lot in there, but you gotta take one apart to learn what's inside, right? So thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. Yeah, so make sure that you check out the description of this video for the directions on how to get entered into my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. And see you all in the next one.